Hi everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to make your Google Drive private and secure your personal and work-related files. Protecting your documents is essential, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a private Google Drive space accessible only to people you choose. First, open Google Drive and sign in with the account that contains the files you want to keep private. Make sure you're using the correct account to avoid changing permissions on the wrong files. Next, locate the file you want to secure and click the Share button. This will reveal the current sharing status, which often shows that anyone with the link can view or edit the file. The Sharing Settings dialog box is your control center for managing who can access your files, and it's designed to be simple and user-friendly. In the Get Links section, you'll notice default settings that allow broad access. To protect your file, you need to restrict this access. Select the Restricted option from the drop-down menu so only people you explicitly add can view or edit the file. Finally, click Done to save your changes. If you don't click Done, your file may remain accessible to anyone with the link. Once saved, your file is now secure and private, visible only to authorized users. Making your Google Drive private not only protects your own sensitive information, but also safeguards colleagues, partners, and anyone you collaborate with, giving you peace of mind